In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use APIs in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the process of integrating APIs in Asana. First things first, you'll want to open your Asana project. Navigate to the specific project where you plan to add your integration. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in your project, look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. This opens a new menu that will allow you to tailor your project to better meet your needs. In that customization menu, you'll want to find the section labeled Apps. Click on that, and you'll see an option to add a new app. This is a crucial step because this is where you can connect Asana with various third-party applications that can enhance your project management experience. Now, you'll see a list of available third-party apps and software. Take your time browsing through this list to find the application you want to integrate with your Asana project. Once you've spotted the right one, go ahead and select it. After selecting your desired application, look for the button that says Add to Project. Click this button to start the integration process. What this does is initiate the connection between Asana and the application you've chosen, making it easier for you to manage your project using powerful tools. Now comes the important part, completing the connection. You'll likely see some on-screen prompts guiding you through the finalization of this integration. This may involve signing into your third-party account, granting necessary permissions, or configuring specific settings based on your preferences and needs. Be sure to check that all permissions and settings are correct, as this ensures that everything functions smoothly. Once you've completed these steps, give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully integrated an application into your Asana project. Now you can take full advantage of the new features to streamline your workflow and increase productivity. If you ever need to revisit any of these steps or explore different integrations, remember that Asana's interface is quite user-friendly. You can always go back to the Customize menu and manage your applications as needed, whether it's adding new ones or removing existing integrations. So, to sum it all up, we started by accessing your specific Asana project, clicking on the Customize button, navigating to the Apps section, finding and selecting your desired application, and finally, completing the necessary connection steps. I hope you found this process as straightforward as it is beneficial. Remember, integrating APIs into your Asana project can significantly enhance your organization's efficiency, so don't hesitate to explore all the available options. Thank you for watching, and I hope you implement what you've learned in your project management practices. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Happy project managing!